Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Let me ask you a question. Do you ever feel super excited to learn English? You buy new notebooks, you download new apps, you say, "This time I will do it." But after a few days, or maybe a week, that motivation is gone. The notebook is empty, the app is forgotten. Does this sound familiar? If you said yes, don't worry, you are not alone. The problem is not motivation. The secret key is discipline. And today, I will teach you 3 simple, super effective steps to build discipline and finally succeed in your English learning journey. Are you ready? Let's begin. Okay, step number 1 is the most important step. Before you learn how to be disciplined, you need to know why you want to be disciplined. I call this find your big why. Imagine a car, a beautiful, fast car. Motivation is like pushing the car. You can push it for a short time, but you get tired. It's hard work. But your big why, your big reason, is the fuel for the car. With fuel, the car can go for hundreds of kilometers, easily. Your big why is your fuel. It will keep you going when you feel tired or bored. So, what is a big why? It's not, "I want to learn English." That's a goal. It's not a why. A big why is deep, emotional, and personal. Let me give you some examples. Example 1. A better job. Maybe you want a better job. Don't just say, "I want a better job." Be specific. Think about it. Maybe you want a job in a big international company. You want to earn more money for your family. You want to feel proud and successful. So your big why is not just a better job. It is, "I want to give my family a better life and feel proud of my career." See? That is powerful. Example 2. Travel and adventure. Maybe you love to travel. Your goal is, "I want to travel," but your big why is different. Your big why could be, "I want to travel the world and talk to local people. I want to order my own food in a cafe in London. I want to understand the stories of people I meet in Australia. I want to feel confident and independent, not a lost tourist. I want to feel confident and independent." Example 3. Connection and love. Maybe your reason is about people. You want to connect with others. Perhaps you have a friend or a family member who lives in another country and speaks English. Your big why is, "I want to talk to my grandmother on video call without a translator. I want to understand her jokes and tell her about my life." Or maybe you love movies, music, or books from America or the UK. Your big why is, "I want to watch my favorite movie without subtitles. I want to sing my favorite English song and understand the lyrics. I want to feel connected to the artist. I want to connect with people and culture." So, your first task is this. After this video, take a pen and a piece of paper and write down your big why. Don't just think it, write it. Make it emotional. Make it real. Put this paper where you can see it every day, on your desk, on your mirror, on your wall. This is your fuel. Don't start without it. Okay, you have your fuel, you have your big why. Now it's time for step number 2. Start small, think big. This is where most people make a big mistake. They are very motivated, so they say, "I will study English for 3 hours every day." This is a recipe for disaster. It's like trying to run a marathon on your first day of training. You will be tired and you will quit. Discipline is not about doing something big one time. It's about doing something small every single day. We need to build a habit. A habit is something you do automatically, like brushing your teeth. You don't need motivation to brush your teeth, right? You just do it. We want to make learning English feel the same. The secret is the 2-minute rule. Find an English learning activity that takes less than 2 minutes. It must be so easy that you cannot say no. So easy that it's harder not to do it. Let me give you some examples for absolute beginners. Example 1. Vocabulary. Your big goal is, I want to learn 1,000 new words. This is too big for today. Your small 2-minute action is, I will open my vocabulary app and learn 1 new word. Just 1 word, that's it. It takes 30 seconds. Can you do that? Of course. And often after you learn 1 word, you think, okay, maybe 1 more, and then 1 more. But the goal is just 1. Example 2. Listening. Your big goal is, I want to understand English movies. Your small 2-minute action is, I will listen to the first 30 seconds of an English song. Just 30 seconds. You can do that while you wait for the bus or while you make coffee. It's super easy. Example 3. Speaking. Your big goal is, I want to speak English fluently. Your small 2-minute action is, I will say 1 English sentence to myself in the mirror. You can say, hello, my name is your name, or I am learning English, or today is a beautiful day. That's it. It feels a little funny at first, but it builds confidence. The magic of the 2-minute rule is this. You are not just learning 1 word. You are building the habit of showing up. You are telling your brain, I am a person who studies English every day. Every time you do your small action, celebrate it. Give yourself a mental high five. Feel good about it. This creates a positive feeling and makes you want to do it again tomorrow. Remember, small steps, repeated every day, lead to big results. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. You have your big why, your fuel. You are starting small to build a habit. Now for the final step. Step number 3 is create your English system. What's the difference between a goal and a system? A goal is the result you want. I want to pass the IELTS exam. A system is the process that gets you to the result. I will study 15 minutes of grammar every Monday and Wednesday. Motivation comes and goes. Habits can sometimes be forgotten. But a system is something you can rely on. A good system makes discipline easy. It removes the need to think. You just follow the plan. Your English system has 3 parts: time, place, and plan. Part 1. Choose your time. You need a specific time in your day for English. Don't say, I will study later. Later never comes. Look at your daily schedule. Find a small 15-minute slot. Maybe it's in the morning with your coffee. Maybe it's during your lunch break. Maybe it's just before you go to sleep. Take your calendar and block that time. Write English time. This is a meeting with yourself. It's an important meeting. Don't cancel it. Part 2. Choose your place. You need a specific place for your English study. When you are in this place, your brain knows it's time to learn English. It doesn't need to be a big, fancy library. It can be a specific chair at your kitchen table. It can be a corner of your bedroom. The important thing is that it is your English zone. Keep this place clean and ready. When your English time starts, you just sit down and begin. No need to find your book, search for your pen, or clean the table. Make it easy to start. Part 3, choose your plan. What will you do during your English time? Don't decide in the moment, decide before. Create a simple weekly plan. It can look like this. This plan is your map. On Monday, you don't think, what should I study today? You just look at your plan and do it. No decisions, no wasted energy. You just follow the system. Your system automates your discipline. Your big why gives you the motivation to start the system. Your small habits make the system feel easy. They all work together like a perfect machine to take you towards your English goals. So there you have it. 3 simple but powerful steps to build incredible discipline for learning English. Let's review them one last time. Step 1. Find your big why, your deep emotional reason. This is your fuel. Step 2. Start small. Use the 2-minute rule to build a habit that is too easy to fail. Step 3. Create your system. Decide on your time, your place, and your plan to make learning automatic. Remember, discipline is not punishment. It's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Discipline is a form of self-love. It's you today doing something to help the person you want to be tomorrow. Now, I have a question for you. I want you to start step 1 right now. Go to the comments below and tell me, what is your big why for learning English? Is it for a job? For travel? For love? I want to read every single one of them. Sharing your why makes it real. If this video was helpful for you, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow and reach more people just like you. And of course, if you want more videos to help you on your English journey, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't just watch, do. Start today. Start small. You can do this. I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning and stay disciplined. Bye for now.